Hello everyone friends. Here is a BMW X5M model that I made from very hard NSP plasticine. Then I painted this model with scale model paint. Made a unique look for this car. And this is what I managed to do. It turned out great, what do you say? It took me a very long time to create this car. 210 hours of work in 22 days. I hope you appreciate my efforts with a like. And this is how I made it all, just from plasticine. I created a car from these thin sheets of smooth plasticine. 2 mm thick. All body elements are made in this way and fixed to the car frame. I made the car according to the drawings and also looked at the 3D model in the 3ds Max program. I also released a video in more detail where I show the complete process of sculpting this BMW. I recommend watching it, it turned out very interesting. I made this car on a large scale, 1:18, and it was more difficult to make than smaller machines. The car was made with high quality. There is detailing of the car interior, the engine, and even made the bottom of the car. Now I will show you all this. I made this BMW exclusively for my friend from Russia. For the channel, The World of My Tanks. He also sculpts from plasticine. But not cars like me. He makes military equipment, many different tanks, from the Second World War. Imagine making a tank out of plasticine so that it can still shoot and ride on tracks. He does it all. This is an incredibly talented author. Tanks can drive, fire guns, and drive remotely. How do you like Ferdinand, who weighs 15 kilograms? The inside of the tank is highlighted. The cabin with detailing of the fighting compartment with shells. And he does all this with his own hands, simply from sculptural plasticine. And later he destroyed it with shots from a real shotgun. I sent him my car and look what he did with it. The full video will be in the description under the video where he destroyed my BMW model with a tank. Go to his channel, let's support the talented author. Say hi for me, subscribe and like. This video has come to an end. I hope you liked how I made this BMW out of plasticine and you will like my efforts. Thank you for watching this video. Bye everyone.